Have you ever seen a cool gadget flying in the sky, like a little helicopter without a pilot? That's a drone. These fascinating devices have become increasingly popular in recent years, capturing the imagination of hobbyists and professionals alike. Drones are like tiny aircraft, but instead of people inside, they use batteries and motors to zoom through the air. These components work together seamlessly to keep the drone aloft and maneuverable, allowing for precise control and impressive agility. They're controlled from the ground, making them super safe and easy to use. With a remote control or even a smartphone app, users can pilot drones with ease, performing complex maneuvers or simple flights with just a few taps or joystick movements. Drones come in all shapes and sizes, from ones that fit in your hand to ones bigger than a car. This variety means there's a drone for every purpose, whether it's for casual fun or serious professional work. Some drones are used for fun, like taking pictures and videos from the sky. They offer unique perspectives and can capture stunning aerial shots that were once only possible with expensive equipment. Others are used for important jobs, like delivering packages or helping firefighters. In these roles, drones can reach places that are difficult or dangerous for humans, making them invaluable tools in various industries. Let's take a peek under the hood of a drone. Drones are fascinating machines, and understanding their anatomy can help us appreciate how they work. The most important parts are the propellers and motors. These components are crucial for the drone's ability to fly and maneuver in the air. The propellers are those spinny blades you see on top. They come in different sizes and shapes, each designed for specific types of flight and performance. They work just like the ones on a helicopter, creating lift to get the drone off the ground. The angle and speed of the propellers determine how high and fast the drone can go. The motors make the propellers spin really fast, powered by electricity from the drone's battery. These motors are typically brushless, which means they are more efficient and durable. Speaking of batteries, that's what gives the drone its energy. The battery is like the heart of the drone, providing the necessary power to all its components. The bigger the battery, the longer the drone can fly. However, larger batteries also add more weight, which can affect the drone's performance and flight time. And of course, we can't forget the brain of the drone. The flight controller. This tiny but powerful component processes all the data from the drone's sensors. It's like a tiny computer that helps the drone stay balanced and fly smoothly. The flight controller ensures that the drone responds accurately to the pilot's commands, making it an essential part of the drone's anatomy. Flying a drone is easier than you think. Most drones come with a remote control that looks like a video game controller. You use the joysticks and buttons to tell the drone where to go. Up, down, left, right, you name it. Some drones can even be controlled with a smartphone app. You just download the app, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi, and voila! You can see what the drone sees through its camera, and even control the camera to take pictures and videos. Section 4. Drones in action. Not just for cool videos. Drones are awesome for capturing breathtaking views, whether it's the serene beauty of a mountain range, the vast expanse of the ocean, or the intricate details of a dense forest. They make cool videos that leave us in awe, but their utility goes far beyond just creating stunning visuals. Drones are becoming essential tools in many fields, revolutionizing the way we work and live. For instance, farmers use drones to monitor their crops from above, giving them a bird's-eye view of their fields. These drones can also spray pesticides with pinpoint accuracy, saving both time and resources, and ensuring that crops are treated efficiently. In the construction industry, drones are invaluable for inspecting buildings and construction sites. They can easily access hard-to-reach areas, providing detailed images and data. Engineers use them to check the structural integrity of bridges and other infrastructure, ensuring safety and preventing potential disasters. Delivery companies are even using drones to deliver packages right to our doorsteps. This not only speeds up delivery times, but also reduces the need for traditional delivery vehicles. In emergency situations, drones can be lifesavers. Firefighters use them to locate people trapped in fires, providing crucial information that can save lives. Additionally, drones can deliver medical supplies to remote or hard-to-reach areas, ensuring that help arrives where it's needed most, even in the most challenging conditions. Section 5, drones. The sky's the limit. Drones are truly changing the world as we know it. They're not just cool gadgets anymore, they're becoming our partners in exploration, innovation, and making our lives easier and safer. As technology keeps getting better, who knows what amazing things drones will be able to do in the future? The sky's the limit.